I sat there watching on a rock, my mind slowly drifting away, forming into my dream tale.